Welcome everybody to this week's episode. We are going to go and see a place that my mom also was involved in and my dad, and then we're going to go and see other places all around Mossel Bay. Enjoy.
Okay, babe, so you sleeping here or what?
I'm tired.
You're tired? We've got an appointment to go to. Are you going to come?
Are you to the photo shoot of the backpacker?
Oh, okay. Okay, so tell me about this bridge now. What you making?
Snack.
Snack?
We're hungry.
I can't see any
tired
snack.
or
There's
we're
a hand in the way.
We're either tired or we're hungry.
Oh, that's what
Oh,
happens.
look, this is how you eat a snack.
We are Cindy and Graham, and we welcome you to watch a video of us traveling full-time through South Africa.
Stop.
This beautiful building on the right is where Cafe Vincent is. We started off our day in this beautiful place. Okay, so there's a nice shop. You can go and have deli food takeaway, and then further down is a whole lot of beautiful shops down here. What's the centre called? With beautiful Meerkat kids. So this was our first stop off for a cup of coffee, and we shared a piece of cake. Divine. I love the ambience of different coffee shops. That's what we both desire. And then we were on our way to Groot Brak River.
Nice wine area and coffee. Do you like that place there?
That's beautiful. Like wraps and all that. So someone can come and eat here. It's like a place with wraps.
Okay.
So Graham, can you hear me?
Hello, Cindy, can you hear me?
I can.
Can you hear me though? Okay, well, let's see what happens when it goes. Stop there and let's have a testing 1 2 1 2. Let's see if these mics work. Hello, Cindy.
Hi Graham.
You want to talk a little bit louder?
Yeah, well, today we're having coffee at Cafe Vincent.
Cool, bananas.
And we're getting some Kit Kat.
Okay, that sounds awesome. Okay, so tell me about this bridge now.
Okay, so when my mom and dad sold in Sedgefield to the avocado farmer, they bought a piece of land on this little island.
Wow.
And I remember the thin bridge that you could get over to the island. And I've just bought Graham here. And then when they came back to Joburg, they sold the piece of land. But they would have been on this little island. Look at the island with all surroundings. Too scared to go over this bridge. Graham's going to drive it. Look how thin it is.
It's fine, it's not thin.
Sure. Okay, you can drive us over.
Okay. Alright, let's get back to the car. Go down this long little bridge.
So Graham drove us over the bridge. We got to a place where we could walk off the island to the flowing river that flows around the island to the sea. It actually was closed up. It wasn't flowing out. And we even chatted to a little lady that was around there. So we had a great time just viewing the island where my mom and dad took me to show me the piece of land years and years ago.
It's very thin there, and then the sea's there. So I don't know which piece of land my parents would have owned. I don't know if it was a sea view here or at the back. Just remember that bridge. I must have been scared going over it once before. Oh, that's so funny. When you think you remember something and then you go and find it again. That's awesome. And then look at those stones on the river. See, you can't cross because the dog's already crossing there. Look at the stones on that river. How beautiful. How beautiful. You can hear the crashing waves. This is sort of the island here, this side, with the river going round it. I love old memories like this.
After viewing the island, we found another place to stop off and have a bite to eat. And this is on the way, it's right near Groot Brak.
The Louvren wines behind us. So they've got a little place. But it's gorgeous, like an old place. I'll photograph it from the top just now. So Graham, what you doing now?
I'm resting
Where?
on a beanbag.
When last did you see a beanbag like this?
I had when I had a flat before I got married. Brick bag.
Yeah, we all had. And there's
Not
more.
as big as this, but they were beanbags.
Yeah. So it looks like these you can take and go sit on the grass with it.
Yeah, I think you can. I'll drink to that.
Ah, aha!
So here's Cindy doing a glass collection. Not shiny glass, but sea glass. Let me see sea glass looks like. Oh wow. Nice.
Look at this nice green one.
Let me see. That looks nice, eh? Very good. Now let me stop you. Always looking for glass. I'm looking for my glasses and she's looking for glass.
And I'm finding these.
Okay.
These.
Oh,
These are
them
the
little
ones.
shellies as well.
Those are it's like a round hole.
It must have had some kind of signage or something up here.
There's even a mussel. Look at big mussel down in there. You see that mossel? Mossel. Hi Graham.
Hello.
Morning. It's bright, eh?
What's morning? It's an awning.
Sure. Okay, so show us what you did here quickly.
Okay, so what I did was we had the awning and the wind was buffeting it like this and it felt like it was going to fall off and break. So I went and bought a net. It's called a storm net.
Yes. Okay,
So
I can see it, yeah.
So it goes from the back there right around to the front, so it's
Yeah.
holding us all down. So
Okay.
if there is a storm, it should be able to handle it.
Yeah. So
Seems to be alright.
we don't have to worry now, because when we're lying in bed and we hear clonk clonk, we could think that it's going to break. But now it's all over. It's got this netting on top of what Graham's done. Sturdy job, babes. Good job. Ah, there you can see the net.
I think it'll work.
Yeah. So Graham's just tightening ropes.
Now I want to get this one a bit tighter.
Yeah.
Sort of like that.
Okay. And again, that's our view. We do see a big bus in front of us, but the view is beautiful. We can just walk to the beach from here.
We have a nice view now. We see John every day.
You see John. We see John every day. Okay, we know 2 Johns now.
Yeah.
One John is for pancakes. Say hi to John with the pancakes.
Hi, John.
No, you need to look up and say hi.
Yeah, I'm about to do that now. I've just got tension here.
Okay, so say hi to our John that we know with the pancakes.
Hey, pancake Johnny, you better watch out, eh? We're gonna catch you.
Somewhere.
No, we're actually out in Mossel Bay still, and we're gonna be here a little longer.
Yeah.
Hope you're still happy out there where you are. I know you enjoy that place. We'll keep you some pancakes in the fridge. Eat them up when you get here.
They might be green by then.
Maybe I'll eat them. Don't worry.
Okay. Bye, John.
So say goodbye to everybody.
Wow, we're going now. What's the matter? Why must I say goodbye? Bye. So does it work, these things? How do they
Hello?
work?
Ram, can you hear? Are you videoing me? You must video me. Can you hear me talking about?
What are you doing?
Aha!
Good morning, Cindy.
Morning, babe. How are you?
I'm well, I'm well. Yeah, it's been a very nice morning this morning already. And we're just looking at some little clips that we can put in. So yeah, that was the morning.